A vehicle which flies high in the air. Car has a 4 wheels, 2 doors and 4 windows. My car's name is Car. Takes people from one place to another place. It has 2 wheels, 1 chain, 1 seat, 1 basket and 2 handles. It has 4 wheels. It runs on the road. This is the car. Car color is green and black. Bus is color is